ever driven over a highway bridge and couldn't help but look below? Or stood on a shoreline's rocky ridge just to watch the water flow? And count yourself as one of the few with a different set of dreams, the kind that keeps you up at night, 'cause you can't wait to get to that stream. It's more than a river. It's more than the water flowing or where it's going. It's the grip on the paddle and the shift in the saddle, the V in the boulders and the lean in the shoulders. When you reach for the eddy, it doesn't get better than this. Yes, it's more, so much more than a river. When all it takes is a little class 2 to still give you a rush, and you live for a breath of the valley air in the mist and the morning hush. When it doesn't matter just where you are as long as the water's white. Some say it's a crazy way to live, but to you, it's a way of life. It's more than a river. It's more than the water flowing or where it's going. It's the grip on the paddle and the shift in the saddle, the V and the boulders and the lean in the shoulders. When you reach for the eddy, it doesn't get better than this. Yes, it's more, so much more